In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a basic subtraction in Zoo Design Studio. A subtraction is designating one body as a target and the other body as a tool. So it takes two bodies and then it cuts one from the other. In our subtraction tool, we can actually use multiple bodies to cut out of a single body. We can have multiple tools with one target. In this example, the cylinder, as you can see by the highlight, is one body, and the cube is another body. The cube will be the target in this example, and the cylinder will be the tool. So the end result will be the cylinder subtracted out of the cube. To do a subtraction, we need to go up to this button right here, select Subtract, select the cube as the target, the cylinder as the tool, continue, and confirm. And there is our subtraction. Now I'll show you how to do a subtraction in KCL. So first, let's open up the KCL code pane. For this example, we're going to do it flipped. So the cylinder is going to be the target, and this rhombus, this quadrilateral, whatever, this prism, this is going to be the tool. So I have body 001, which is the cylinder, and body 002 for that object. So to do a subtraction, we are going to hit subtract. There's two ways to do it. And so first I will do the more formal way, where we have a body and a tool, or a target and a tool. So the first in the array is the target, in which I will type body 001, and then the tool is body 002. And voila, there is our subtraction. Now the other way I could do this, so let's say I comment this out, is a bit of a shorthand technique where I could say something like body 003. I don't have to assign this to a variable. I could do just this like it is, but I could do body 003 equals body 001 minus body 002. And that is also simply a subtraction.